Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Anisha Putri Rahmawati. My student number is 234120057 from class Accounting 23A. Here I will explain about understanding law and business law. In everyday life, humans are never separated from the presence of law. Every action we take, driving on the road, purchasing goods, working or running a business, is always regulated by rules created to govern relationships between individuals and between activities run in an orderly, structured, and fair manner. Without law, chaos would occur because everyone could act freely without considering the right of others. In today's fast-moving and increasingly complex world, understanding law has become even more important, especially when someone becomes involved in business activities. Business is not merely about generating profit. It also involves rules that must be followed so that activities are legal, safe, and protected from violations. Therefore, understanding the fundamentals of law and business law is essential for all business actors, whether small, medium, or large, as a foundation for carrying out economic activities responsibly and successfully. Okay, for the first, I will explain about definition and function of law. Generally, law can be understood as a set of norms and regulations established by authorized institutions and characteristic by regulatory and corporate power. Law aims to control human behavior so that it remains within the boundaries considered appropriate by the state in order to create order and justice. Law not only contains rules but also provides sanction for those who violate them, ensuring that every rule must be obeyed by everyone without exception. The functions of law are diverse, including maintaining social order, protecting individual rights and obligations, resolving conflict when disputes arise, and providing certainty in decision making. Through the law, individuals can feel secure because their rights, such as the right to property, the right to work, and right to privacy, and the right to conduct business are protected. And then sources of law in the Indonesian legal system. Law does not simply appear, it is derived from various legal sources. In Indonesia, the primary sources of law is legislation, includes laws, governmental regulations, presidential regulations, and regional regulations. Besides written law, Indonesia also recognizes customary law, which refers to long-standing societal practice that are accepted as binding norms. Another source in jurisprudence, which refers to past court decisions that serve as reference for resolving similar cases. Additionally, treaties or international agreements become binding sources of law once Indonesia agrees to them. Lastly, doctrines, which are opinions of legal scholars, play an important role in interpreting laws and guiding legal practices in court and in society. And next, classification and branches of law. Law can be classified in several ways depending on that it regulates. One of the most common classifications is between public law and private law. Public law governs the relationship between the state and its citizens, such as criminal law, administrative law, and constitutional law. Meanwhile, private law or civil law regulates relationships between individuals, such as agreements, sales, inheritance, and marriage. Law can also be divided into written law, which consists of enacted regulations, and unwritten law, which consists of enacted regulations and unwritten law, such as customs practiced by society. Understanding this classification is important because in business activities both written and unwritten laws may apply, especially when a debtor dispute arises and certain practices are not explicitly regulated in legislation. And then the role of law in the business world. Law plays a vital role in business activities. Business is not only about exchanging goods and services but also involves various parties such as companies, customers, and government, financial institutions, and employees. Without clear legal regulations, interactions between these parties could lead to conflict and losses. Law provides certainty so that business actors can operate without fear of unclear rules. It also provides protection, such as protecting consumers from unsafe products, protecting business actors from contractual breaches, and protecting the government from economic activities that harm the state. Furthermore, law helps regulate transactions, prevent fraud, and promote a healthy and competitive economic environment. In short, a long legal foundation support sustainable and ethical business practices. Okay, next definition of business law in and its scope. Business law refers to all legal rules, both written and unwritten, that regulate and influences business activities. Business law does not only deal with contracts or sales transactions but also cover a wide range of aspects such as business establishment, intellectual property rights, taxation, banking, labor law, international trade, and consumer protection. Its scope is extensive because it encompasses all economic activities within society. For example, when someone starts a business, they must understand business licensing requirements to establish a legal entity, debt obligation, labor regulations, and trademark protection so that their business cannot be legally duplicated by competitors. Understanding business law allows business owners to operate legally, safely, and more professionally. And then key elements in business law. There are several fundamental elements in business law. The first is the legal subject referring to individuals, companies, or legal entities involved in business relations. The second is the object of law, which consists of goods or services being transacted. The third element is the legal relationships, which arise through agreements, contracts, or obligations created by law. Finally, there is legal protection, which ensures that every party involved in business activities receives protection as long as they act according to established legal rules. These elements form the foundation for fair, transparent, and accountable business interactions. Next, about agreements and contracts in business activities. One of the most essential aspects of business law is agreements or contracts. Contracts are a crucial tool used to bind two or more parties in a mutual agreement. According to the Indonesian Civil Code, a contract is valid when four conditions are met: mutual consent of the parties, legal capacity to make an agreement, a specific object of agreement, and a lawful process. Contract clearly define the of misunderstanding or dispute in the future. In the business world, contracts come in various forms, such as partnerships agreements, sales contracts, leases agreements, franchise contracts, and trademark licensing agreements. Each contract must be written clearly and precisely so that it can serve as a strong legal basis if disputes arise. And next type of business entities in business law. The type of business entity chosen the significant legal implications affecting their ability, financial structure, and business growth. Common type of business entities in Indonesia include sole proprietorships, partnership, limited partnerships, cooperative, and limited liability companies. Each type has its own legal characteristic and consequence. For example, in a sole proprietorship, the owner bears full responsibility for business risks using personal assets. In contracts, petty offers a clear separation between the owner's personal assets and the company's assets, which provides greater legal protection and is generally preferred for medium to large businesses. Understanding these differences helps entrepreneurs choose the most suitable entity structure for their business operations. Then legal risks in business and the importance of compliance. The business world is inseparable from various legal risks. The risks may include breach of contract, disputes between shareholders, violations of business permits, labor disputes, intellectual property infringement, and taxation issues. Legal risks often arise due to a lack of legal awareness or negligence in fulfilling obligations. Therefore, compliance becomes a critical aspect of business operations. Business owners must understand all legal obligations related to their activities, such as paying taxes, meeting operational standards, maintaining healthy labor relations, and ensuring market and production processes comply with applicable laws. A business that adheres to the law not only avoids losses but also builds a strong reputation and earns the trust of customers, investors, and partners. And then key elements in business law. There are several fundamental elements in business law. The first is the legal subject referring to individuals, companies, or legal entities involved in business relations. The second is the object of law, which consists of goods or services being transacted. The third element is the legal relationships, which arise through agreements, contracts, or obligations created by law. Finally, there is legal protection, which ensures that every party involved in business activities receives protection as long as they act according to established legal rules. These elements form the fundamental foundation for fair, transparent, and accountable business interactions. Next, about agreement and contracts in business activities. One of the most essential aspects of business law is agreements or contracts. Contracts are a crucial tool used to bind two or more parties in a mutual agreement. According to the Indonesian Civil Code, a contract is valid when four conditions are met: mutual consent of the practice, legal capacity to make an agreement, a specific object of agreement, and a lawful causes. Contract clearly define the right and obligation of each party, reducing the risk of misunderstanding or dispute in the future. In the business world, contracts come in various forms, such as partnerships agreements, sales contracts, leases agreements, franchise contracts, and trademark licensing agreements. Each contract must be written clearly and precisely so that it can serve as a strong legal basis if disputes arise. In conclusion about the material, understanding law and business law is essential for everyone involved in economic activities. Law provides clarity, protections, and guidance to help business actors operate smoothly and responsibly. Business law is not merely a limitation, but a protective framework that ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability in economic interactions. By understanding contracts, business entities, licensing procedure, and other legal aspects, individuals can make better decisions and reduce potential risks. Ultimately, legal literacy helps create a fair, ethical, and sustainable business environment that benefit not only business owners but also customers, society, and the national economy as a whole. Okay, that is all I can say, and thank you.